The Federal Ministry of Agriculture and Food Security, through its Federal Department of Agricultural Extension Services, has organized a 2-day training and empowerment program for rice farmers in Lagos State. The event, held at the Ministry State Office in Oko-Oba, Agege, focused on modern rice farming technique, improved production methods, and sustainable agricultural practices to enhance food security in the country.
Ministry of Agriculture has been hammering that we don't want to be dependent on importation of rice. So what they want to do is what we decided is to empower and encourage all our rice farmers. The more we are able to produce, the more the price of rice will come down.
Officials from the Federal Department of Agricultural Extension Services reiterated the government's determination to continue supporting farmers through regular training and empowerment programs.
The training is for rice farmers in Lagos State. We believe that training is something that is continuous, so as to train them on better good agricultural practices and climate smart agricultural practices. As we all know, the times we're in, a lot is happening, so they need to get it right, not just farming for survival. They need to take it seriously and see rice farming as a business.
As part of the empowerment, participants received agricultural equipment provided to enhance efficiency and output on their farms.
Whatever is being given to them today as an input, they should make sure that they make use of it judiciously. They should not go and sell it late. And I, as the chairman, I will start monitoring every one of them that collected anything here today to make sure that they make use of it.
Nǹkan gidi because èmi ń lo ti local one tí àwọn bàbá mi bí yìí sí. Lénìí yìí sì, mo tún ní ìmọ̀ sí ìmọ̀ sí lénìí. Àwọn nǹkan tí àwọn ọ̀gá tó wá wọ́n kọ́ wa, inú mi dùn sí i. Èmi náà máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa ṣe.
The 2-day training and empowerment program underscores the federal government's continued commitment to promoting rice production and supporting farmers toward achieving food